Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to talk about 16K swipes. So this is a 16K swipes review. This product has been launched on Warrior Plus today by Mbekak. And let's go to the website. At the top it says I just paid 16K for these swipes that earned me 2 million. You can have them for peanuts if you are super fast. Okay, so this is kind of this is not a product, this is no course, this is no nothing. They're only giving you email swipes. Now if you have an email list, you can actually leverage these email swipes, because then you don't have to worry about writing new content in your email every day, what to write, what to not. And if you want to hire somebody to do freelancing, they will charge you thousands or maybe hundreds of dollars. So this is something which will save you money in the long run if you have an existing email list. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end so that you understand if you need this product or not. And before we start the video, let's go through our disclaimers first. First disclaimer is right away on your screen. It says secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online. Okay, so never make money online products. Buy tools, buy softwares, buy some genuine courses, but do not buy anything which says or which claims that you will make some money instantly. Okay, so stay away from those make money offers. And then the second disclaimer is concept of bonuses is exposed. So stop wasting money by seeing some bonuses. Don't be greedy, right? So if you go onto YouTube, watch some reviews, there will be affiliates who will be selling all the bonuses, like crapping about bonuses, this bonus, that bonus, $10,000 bonus, $5,000. That's not money. Okay, nobody's putting money into your bank account. So stay away from bonuses. We'll talk about the bonuses in the end. I'll give you unlimited bonuses, as many bonuses you want for free. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And there's one bonus thing here for you, is that how to get your YouTube channel monetization eligibility in less than 7 days. So if you let's say if you want to start your YouTube channel, or if you already have a YouTube channel but it's not monetized, so we will actually tell you how you can get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours organically, ethically and legally in less than 7 days. Okay, so make sure to know this process, you watch the video till the end. All right, because we'll talk about that, how do we do that. Then before we go into the review, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because if you don't subscribe to the channel, you don't see our videos. All right, so this channel saves your money. We save a lot of money because we don't promote any make money online offers, and we expose them. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification, do comment, do like. All of this is free. Okay, so hit that subscribe button now. Let's go back to the website called internetmarketinginsider.com, and this product is called 16K swipes review. So technically this Mr. Mbekak, this very complicated name, so I think it's Mbekak. So this gentleman is giving you those email swipes for which he paid 16 bucks. That's what he's claiming actually. So he paid somebody to write these email swipes, and it costs him $16,000, and he made some money. He made a lot of money using those email swipes, and eventually now he's ready to give out those email swipes to you on a very cheaper price, like 7 bucks or maybe 10 bucks, something like that. We'll have to take a look. Okay, so here is the product. Let's go into the upgrade. So it starts from 7.19, and then you have maximum, you have I think 97, then 84, but minimum is like 17 or maybe 47. So you'll have to look into your upgrades once you get into the product. You will get through the upgrades, and you can decide if you want to upgrade or not. And then here again, it's a very simple website, nothing fancy here. These are only email swipes. So bottom line is you pay them 7 bucks and you get your email swipes. And if you want all of the email swipes, I think you have to upgrade to upgrade to some other package. Okay, so very simple, no fancy no fancy dramas here, nothing in particular. It's very simple, plain black and white. Just go ahead and visit the website. If you want to grab these email swipes, if you have an existing email list, if you can leverage those people who are into your email into your email list, then you can buy these email swipes. The link is in the description below. Click on the link, you will be taken into this website, Internet Marketing Insider, and you can buy the copy from here, those email swipes, if you have an email list and if you think it's going to be helpful to you. Okay, and now let's go through some bonuses which I was talking about. So if you go to this website called idplr.com, now while this website is opening, let's talk about those other affiliates who are saying that they will give you like $2,000 bonus, they'll give you 5,000, 10,000, I don't know what they will give you, right? So they talk like as if they're putting money into a bank account. So do not fall for the bonuses. Avoid all the affiliates who are giving you bonuses. Okay, bonus is nothing, it's just a brainwash. Still, if you want some bonuses, go to this website called idplr.com. Go to the section called free products. Under free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, this and that. Now let's say you click on free ebooks. So here you will get a lot of free ebooks which you can use as lead magnet, and you can give them for free to your email subscribers in return for their email address. Okay, this is how you grow your list. So here you can see there are a lot of ebooks even with master resale rights. So anything which says master resale rights here, that means you can resell those ebooks at a charge. You can ask somebody to pay for these ebooks if you want to. You can download them from this website for free and resell them at a cost. Okay, so this is the unlimited bonus for you. You go to this website idplr.com, and that is how you go ahead and get these free products. So don't worry about other bonuses crapping you about like affiliates and crapping about bonuses. So ignore all those other affiliates. If you want the email swipes, click on the link in the description below, get your copies. If you want to make money online, then keep watching the video because you want control, right? So you don't want to depend on somebody else to give you some system to make money online, right? So you want to be a YouTuber or you want to be a blogger. These are the only two genuine ways which will be evergreen. Okay, YouTube evergreen, blogging evergreen, if you know how to do it. Only if you know how to do it. Okay, so it's not like everybody can make money on YouTube, everybody can do blogging. It is something which you need to be which you need to be expert in. You need to have some resources. So for example, if you need you need to start your YouTube channel, it has to be monetized, right? Similarly, if you need to start your blog, you need to have unlimited hosting. So in the in the coming few seconds, we're going to talk about how you can monetize, let's say, your channel, or get to your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 7 days or 10 days. We're gonna take a look into that part now, so make sure you stick till the end. Okay, all right, so the first way how you can make money online is using YouTube. Okay, so it says right down the screen how to make money on YouTube and get your channel monetized, right? This is what we talked about in the beginning. Now, first of all, you can make money on YouTube in two ways. First is even when your channel is not monetized, right? So you can do some reviews about the products, and then you can put in your affiliate links in the description, and then you can make sales even if your channel is not monetized. Okay, so that is a way how you can start making money online. If you can speak on YouTube, maybe on camera or on, in the mic like me. So if you know how to make YouTube videos, you can start doing affiliate marketing, and that's how you can make money online. But what I am here for is I can actually get your YouTube monetization eligibility in next few days rather than maybe 7 days, 10 days, sometimes 3 days, 5 days. So it's random. But if you want your channel to be monetized, like it will not be monetized in 7 days, but it will have the eligibility to get monetized in 7 days. And I'm talking about those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And we will tell you how you can do it organically, right? So if you want to learn how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a week, within 10 days, or within less time, then you have to follow me, because I'm going to tell you the instructions what you need to do, right? So I cannot tell you everything in one single video. It will be very long video, okay? So I can't do that. And also there is another way which you can use to earn money online. That way is blogging. We'll talk about that, but let's talk about the YouTube first, how you get to your channel monetized. This is for those people who want to earn money from YouTube ads as well and want to grow their channel quickly. Okay, so this will be a kickstart. Now, how do you start the process? First of all, you will need to book a consultation with me. Okay, I'm not some guru. I do not have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, but I have some knowledge. Okay, I do know what to do in order to get your channel monetized, to give you kickstart. All right, so you don't have to wait in the queue. If you just go ahead and do it on your own, it will take you 1 year or more to get to those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, and you might never get there. Okay, so I can tell you shortcut which is organic, which is real, which works, and that will take you hardly 10 days or 7 days to get those 1,000 subscribers and this 4,000 watch hours. And for that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna speak to me for 60 minutes at least. So what I'm offering here is you can talk to me on a Skype call, one-to-one consultation. I will charge you 100 US dollars if you want to speak with me and take my consultation, because during those 60 minutes I will actually connect with your laptop screen, share your laptop screen, and then show you practically how you will make those videos which needs to be there to gain those watch hours. So I'll help you to create those videos, and you don't have to come on the camera, you don't have to speak anything. There will be just videos. I'll tell you how we can make them, and then we will use those videos to get those 1,000 subscribers and those 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so I'll do this with you on Skype call on your laptop screen. You will have the opportunity to ask me any questions which you will have in those 60 minutes, and I will tell all the techniques, the secrets to grow your YouTube channel within those 60 minutes. Okay, I'll tell you everything possible I can. I'll show you everything practically on your laptop. Okay, this is what you get, because understand one thing: in order to make money, you need to have money, because you have to invest somewhere, because money attracts money. Okay, if you're broke and you think you will get rich, only in the dreams. Only two types of people get rich. Either they are poor and they have done something extraordinary, they have exceptional talent, they did something extraordinary and then they became rich. Second are those people who are already rich and they're making poor people more poorer. Okay, so only two types of people get rich: one out of the blue, second who are already rich. All right, if you're in the middle, you will reach nowhere. All right, so yes, I will charge you, and the charges are in public here, so it's not like I'm telling you $100 and to somebody else I'll tell you something else. So the charges are in public. I will charge you $100 for 60 minutes. I will give you the consultation how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 7 days. Okay, and I will practically show you how to create those videos which will be used on your channel to make the to get the this eligibility done. And then also you can probably delete those videos if you don't want to later on. So we'll talk about that in the personal call, one-to-one. We can't tell you everything just right here in public, right? So this is one way if you want to get your channel monetized. You will find a link in the description below. Okay, so you need to email us. So you have to contact us on that email, and then we will fix your appointment whenever I'm available or whenever you're available. We'll book the appointment accordingly after the payment, and then I'll call you on Skype and we will talk for 1 hour, do the consultation, and then you will be able to get your channel monetized in next 7 days or 10 days. Eligibility, actually monetization can take up to 1 month. Okay, so your channel will get eligible once you talk to me in next 7 days. And also we have to use some resources. So to get your 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, we will have to use some resources, and that will cost you some extra money. I'll talk about everything when you're on the call with me, but those resources will cost you less than my fees. Okay, so have that in mind. Those resources will cost you less than $100. All right, so this is one way. And if you don't have that money, then go to the other way, that do the hard work and wait for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years to get those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, and see then if you can get your channel monetized or not. But if you want to kickstart, then contact me, drop me an email, book the appointment, do the consultation with me, and I'll help you to get your channel monetized within a month probably, right? And I will also tell you some secrets and tips, right? And the next thing, how you go ahead and make some money online is by doing blogging and by doing affiliate reviews. Okay, so how to make money with blogging and how to write affiliate reviews, how to make money. So I'll show you the secret here. First of all, you need to have a website, or you need to have your own blog. If you don't, then you will find a link in the description below. Now that link actually gives you unlimited hosting. So go buy a domain, and then if you click on this website, which is in the link below, that website is called HostPresso here, as you can see this one. Now this website gives you unlimited website and domain hosting, which means that if you're a newbie, you don't have to spend a lot of money. You just buy this hosting in one-time cost, and these people will not charge you monthly. So in that way, you can get your website and blog up and running in one-time cost. Okay. Now once your website is up and running, what you need to do is you need to do the reviews of these Warrior Plus products, of ZBZ products, and other products, in digital courses. Okay. Now how do you do that? For that, let's go back to this Google here. In Google, you just type in, let's say, secret email system review. Okay. Now here you will see this first website, softskillset.com. Now open this website. You can open any website like this one here as well. All these websites are doing reviews. Okay, so let's open one of those, and then here you will see how they have drafted and published this review. It's very attractive, or it's very neat and clean, as you can see. So this is the review here they have, and then you can see how they're reviewing the product. They have a video as well, and everything is here. So what you're gonna do is, there are two ways to do this. Either you write all this content in your own language, right? Just take a reference from this website and then do it in your own language or in your own words. If you don't want to do that, then you can just simply copy all this here. Let's do copy and go on the top. So just copy here, and then we come to this website called Article Rewriter Tool. So the website is smallsutools.com/article-rewriter. You come to this website, and then you paste all that. Okay, you paste all that, and make sure those words are not beyond 2000 words. Okay, because this tool only has a limit until 2000 words, and 2000 words are enough for a review. Okay, now all you need to do is click on rewrite article. Okay, once you click on rewrite article and fill up the security pictures here, so once this tool has rewritten this article, then you can use it on your own website and blog. As you can see, it's rewriting the content, and this is what you can get from this tool, and then go back to your website, paste this review there, and that is how you will get traffic from Google eventually in the coming few days, in the coming future. Okay, so this is how you make money with blogging, by setting up your own review blogs, and then go to this Google search and see which websites are ranking for those products. Then take reference from those websites, either write the review in your own words, or you can do this article rewriter, as we have shown you as an example here, and then you publish those reviews on your own website. Okay, this is how you can go ahead and pick it up from here. This is your new article which is ready to go, which you can publish on your website. Okay, so just to recap, to make money online, you have to get your channel monetized. If you want to get your channel monetized in less than 10 days, or you want to get those 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours organically, ethically, legally, then contact us, book your appointment, 60 minutes, $100 US. I will talk to you personally, one-to-one. No bullshit here, no online courses, no nothing, you and me only. Okay, directly. So this is one option. Second option is you can buy the unlimited hosting, and check out this option here, HostPresso. Buy unlimited hosting. If you can't make YouTube videos, you don't want to make YouTube videos, then start your own review blogs and buy this hosting. Link in the description, and that is how you can get your get your affiliate site up and running. Okay, so this is how you make money online, and if you need to talk to me, you know how to do it now. You'll find the email in the description, and it's chargeable. Okay, so let's end this video for now. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. That's most important, because you will get free videos if you subscribe to our channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and we'll see you in the next video shortly.